Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam can't add phone number not working issue. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the Help menu. Click on Help, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam Support. This will take you to Steam's main support hub where you can address various account-related issues. Next, click on My Account. This section contains all the tools and options related to your Steam account settings and security features. It's the central place where you can manage everything from login issues to payment problems. Now, click on Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. This option is specifically designed to help with issues related to two-factor authentication and phone number verification, which is exactly what we need to resolve your phone number problem. Once you're on that page, scroll down until you see the option that says My Issue is not listed. Click on it. This option allows you to submit a custom support ticket when the standard troubleshooting options don't match your specific problem. It ensures that Steam support receives all the relevant details about what's happening with your account. You'll now be taken to a form where you can describe your issue in detail. This is the most important step, so take your time here. In the text field, provide specific details about the problem you're experiencing. For example, explain that you're unable to add a phone number and include the exact error message you're seeing. The more specific you are, the faster Steam support can diagnose and resolve your issue. Being precise helps them understand whether it's a regional restriction, a technical glitch, or something else entirely. If you have any relevant screenshots or files that could help illustrate the problem, you can attach them here. This step is optional, but it can be incredibly helpful for the support team to see exactly what's happening on your screen. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Send. Your ticket will now be submitted to Steam support and they'll begin reviewing your case. After you send your Steam support ticket, you'll need to wait for their response. Response times can vary depending on the volume of requests they're handling, but typically you should hear back within a few days. You'll receive their reply both in your Steam support tickets page within the app and via email. Make sure to check both places regularly so you don't miss their response, as they may need additional information from you to resolve the issue. And that's how you fix the Steam can't add phone number not working problem, by contacting Steam support directly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.